In this video we will be installing Maven on Ubuntu. So firstly I will open Windows Terminal software. In it I will open Ubuntu LTS terminal. So the first step is to install JDK and JRE before installing Maven. So firstly we need to update the package list in Ubuntu. We will do it by typing the command sudo apt update. This command needs password, so I will provide the password. It will update all the packages required. Once the packages are updated, we can move to the next step. We need to check if Java is already installed. In many cases it may happen that Java may be installed on your system. So you can check it by typing java-version. So it prompted me that command Java not found. That means this system does not have Java installed in it. So first we need to install the JRE by using the following command: sudo apt install default JRE. Sudo apt install default JRE. It will ask for permission. Just type in capital Y and press enter. It may take few minutes. Once it is done, you can check the JRE version by typing java-version. This will provide the JRE version installed on Ubuntu. Once the JRE is installed, we can move on to installing the JDK. We can install JDK using this command sudo apt install default JDK. It will again ask for confirmation. Just type in capital Y and press enter. This will take few time, so be patient. Okay, so the installation has been done. You can check the JDK version by specifying this command javac-version. This command will prompt you the JDK version installed on the Ubuntu. So once we are done with JRE and JDK, we can move on to install Maven. Again, we need to check if any packages need updates. We can do this by sudo apt update command again. So as we have done it previously, it will not repeat it. So now we need to install Maven. To install Maven, the command is sudo apt install Maven. Once it asks for permission, type in Y and press enter. Once the installation is done, you can check or verify the installation by using this command mvn-version. It will prompt you the Maven version installed on your Ubuntu system. Once you see this output, it means that Maven has been successfully installed on your Ubuntu. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.